In this channel, you will find everything you need to know to begin macrame, whether you are looking to do it as a hobby or you want to get to a more advanced level so that you can create your own designs. You will find everything macrame right here. So I want to start by saying thank you to everyone who has been supporting me and has been patient with me while it has been a busy few weeks. I have something very exciting for you guys today, and that is I am going to show you guys 7 easy ways to end a wall hanging. I find that a lot of times we just leave the wall hanger with the fringe at the end. While the simplicity of just the fringe is nice on certain projects, by adding beads, feathers, or knots at the bottom of the wall hanging will give the wall hanging a little bit more texture, a little bit more uniqueness. I'm keen to know what you guys thought was your favorite way to end a wall hanging and which one you guys plan on trying on your wall hanging projects. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and let's begin.
We are going to start off with something we've all seen before, and that is ending with the fringe. The pattern I am showing here is the cami pattern, and I do have an ebook for this, so if you guys are interested, please check out the link that I will post in the description box below. So I would say that the most popular way to end a wall hanging is to leave some form of fringe at the end. Depending on what type of cord you use, if you use a 3-ply or a single strand, you would either unravel the cords first if you are using 3-ply and then comb through the fringe, or if you're using single strand, you can just comb through directly. Or you can just unravel the 3-ply cord like I did here and not comb through it. It all gives a kind of slightly different look. The second way to end a wall hanging that I will show you here is to add feathers at the end. This will give the wall hanging a dreamcatcher inspired look. To do so, you take the feather and you attach it onto the end of a cord by using a gathering knot. All you need is thinner string to tie the gathering knot. You can either use hemp cord, embroidery thread, or 1mm cotton cord. Up to you, you just need something thinner to attach the feather onto the cord. You can continue attaching more feathers across all strands of cords at the end to give it a feathery look. In this next one, we are going to add beads to the end of the wall hanger. A tip to string through beads is to tape the end of the cord and then string the bead through. Once the bead is through, all you need to do is make an overhand knot to secure the bead. This next one is one of my favorites, and it is called the barrel knot. You can add these throughout the fringe part of any macrame piece to give it a little bit more texture at the end of the piece. To do so, the knot is very simple. All you have to do is make a loop and wrap the end through the middle a few times and then pull on the knot to tighten. This next one is called the figure 8 knot, and like the name, all you need to do is make a figure 8, pull the end of the cord through, and you can see that it is a cute little knot that you can add to the end of any macrame piece. This next knot requires 2 cords to make, and you make a loop on both ends of the cords to tighten. This last one that I will show you in this tutorial is how to add a tassel. You can add many tassels with the fringe at the end of a macrame while hanging. And I will show you how to make one using the fringe in the middle of this macrame piece. First, take 2 cords and make one overhand knot. Then, using a few strands of cord, we're going to put it through the loop at the top, pull it down, and then to secure this tassel, we're going to make a gathering knot. You can continue adding as many tassels as you would like at the end of your macrame piece, or if you just like to add a few throughout the fringe, you can do that as well. The final step of this tassel is to cut off the excess cords. And that concludes our tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time.